Alright guys, well today it's going to be videotaping me unboxing a Lightning to USB cable by Mac, sold here at the best store in Okinawa, Japan. I got a C there, got it for 1,880 yen. Right now roughly the yen rate is, I think it's about 92 yen to the dollar today. So that's probably about 20 bucks for this cord. Alright, you can see that it's in its nice little boxing by Mac. I'm going to open it here. Ruin the box just in case I have to return it or something. Alright. And as you can see right there, it says it's a meter long. Here it is. It comes, and that's about it inside the box. It comes with Apple 1-year warranty, as well as a certification and compliance. Little nifty things to keep the cord not tangled up while it's in the box. Let's see, get this opened. Wow. It's pretty strong adhesive stuff here. There you go. And there you have it. It's the new Lightning cord for the new iPads, and iPad mini, and the iPhone 5. Well, that's pretty much it. For all you guys here in Japan, get it for 1,880 yen, approximately about 20 bucks right now, and it's on sale. Usually sells around about 2,900 yen. That's the last time I've seen it when it was not on sale. So, alright, thanks guys for watching. Please leave comments, likes, and subscribe to the channel.